Today we're going to work on a pumpkin centerpiece bouquet. So I got a white one because I thought this would work better with some of the hydrangeas I have. I have a couple dahlias today. And then I don't know what size this is, 4-inch maybe. It's really tiny. It's decorative, but you don't really need to worry about that. You could even reuse salsa, jam jar, whatever. You just want to carve out the center and put it right in the middle. I also need a knife for carving, and then we're gonna go around the yard. We're in October in Utah. I live up by the mountains. Beautiful, glorious weather today. No sign of a deep frost in the forecast. We have 40s, but that shouldn't ruin a lot of our stuff that we have out here. So we also need some clippers. So let's go find some flowers and have fun with this. Come on. Don't forget a way to carve out the pumpkin. A lot of my flowers in the sun right now, so I will collect a whole bunch of them and bring them into the shade. We've got dahlias and marigolds and cosmos and Dusty Miller. Let's see, anything else that we're going to choose? Peach roses. So let's see if I can see the peach roses. They're right there, kind of where I'm pointing that. Let's go collect. This dahlia right here is called Pinelands Princess. Oh, we're going to grab that one. And those zinnias have a lot of the mildew on them. And these ones, they're looking pretty sad. But the peach roses over there, let's get closer. I love these peach roses. Oh, they're so glorious. And these ones are on the other side. So we might use quite a few buds. Can you even see that? The lighting's kind of bad. And then that gorgeous one. So let me choose a whole bunch. Make sure the little jar will fit in. So obviously this one doesn't, so I'm gonna make this even bigger. That's better. Make sure to put water in the glass. You don't want the water in the pumpkin. You want it in the jar. Now the fun part. Let's go pick our flowers.